Using an American Express gift card on Xbox is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, ensure your American Express gift card is activated and has a sufficient balance to cover the purchase you want to make on Xbox. To begin, go to the Xbox website or open the Xbox app on your console. Sign in to your Xbox account using your email and password. Once you are signed in, navigate to the Microsoft Store, which is where you can purchase games, subscriptions, and other content. Next, select the item you want to purchase and click on the Buy button. You will be prompted to select a payment method. Choose the option to use a new payment method and then select credit card. Enter the details of your American Express gift card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the correct billing address associated with your American Express gift card. This is a security measure to verify the card details. If your gift card does not have a billing address, you can try using a different payment method or contact American Express customer support for assistance. Once you have entered the payment details, review the purchase summary to ensure everything is correct. If you are satisfied with the purchase, click the Confirm button to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation email from Xbox and your purchase will be available in your account. It is essential to note that some American Express gift cards may have restrictions or limitations on online purchases or international transactions. If you encounter any issues during the payment process, you can contact American Express customer support or Xbox support for assistance. In summary, using an American Express gift card on Xbox is a simple process that requires you to sign into your Xbox account, select the item you want to purchase, enter the gift card details, and confirm the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily use your American Express gift card to purchase games, subscriptions, and other content on Xbox.